do you have to buy a hand truck and you don't know which one to buy? So I'm going to show you everything that you know that you need in order to buy the best one, depending on the type of shop that you need. And I'm going to tell you my experience, so that way you know which one to buy. All right, so let's start with this one. This one, I like it a lot. Usually I use it to install double ovens, because the double ovens, they are like 400 pounds and they are very heavy. So basically you put the oven here. I have a video that explains exactly how to use this. If you want, you can go to the playlist and you can watch it. Otherwise, I'll explain you basically. So you put the double oven here, and then with this handle, you see, you can move this up, and so that way when you have the right height, you can push the oven, and that's it. Also, it has the brakes, so if you want to leave it in place, it will not move. Even if you push it, it will not move. And if you want to release it, like that. Another thing that you can use this for. So, for instance, I have a trailer over there. So, on the trailer, they are not against the floor. So, as you can see here, we can lift this up. Let's say that you have maybe a cargo van, something like that, and you have maybe a refrigerator or double oven or something like that, and you don't have another guy, to help you. Maybe what you can do is just put it here, and then what you can do is just raise this, this as the same height as the cargo van, and then you push it, and that's it. It will be advisable, to use two guys, so that way it will be easier. But this is very good. I use it just for that. Other than that, if you have to move a refrigerator, you can use this one. The only downside of this is that it's very extremely heavy. So this one, if you want to lift it with one finger, you're not going to be able to do it. With this one, this is aluminum. You see, you can lift it up very, very easily. So that is why I bought this. Also, when I install, for instance, water softeners, I use that. And this one, I can put it in my minivan very easily, or inside of the Sprinter van without any issue. This one, wow, this is extremely heavy. It's very difficult to maneuver, and also if you have to move, like very heavy stuff, you have to deal with this plus the weight of the refrigerator. So if you have to use something like that, I would recommend you to use at least two guys, so that way you can move anything. The good thing about this is smaller than the other one I just showed you, and this one is more to move refrigerators, ovens, or something like that, shuffle from one place to another. If you have to lift them up to put it in a cargo van or trailer or maybe a cabinet, this is the one for you. This one is not for that. This is just to move things around, and that's it. The good thing about this, it has some type of wheels in the very back that you see here, there. Same thing. So that way, if you have some steps, it will help you, to move it. Also, another good thing about this, it has some straps. So basically, you can put this like this with the other one, and with this, you can strap it with this mechanism, with this handle, and then you can squeeze it, and that's it. So if you have a refrigerator or maybe oxygen tank or something like that, you don't want it, to fall, this is the tool for you. I like it a lot just for that. And then you have the other one, this one. So this is for small stuff. I think it's 150 pounds. And this everything is rated. That one you can, I think you can lift up to 500 pounds. Because the oven usually they're 400 pounds easily. With this, I think it's unlimited. I think the limitation will be just your strength. So you need two guys because this is metal. I mean, and it's not aluminum, and extremely heavy. This one, I think 150 pounds, you will be okay. The only thing I don't like about these type of things is they have, plastic wheels. At least this it was weak, and I used it a few times. I didn't have any issue. I think when I had the water softener here and I tried to move it like that, that is when this broke. I think if you go, straight for the back and forth, I think you will be okay. Otherwise, my plan with this is I'm going to take this out, buy another wheel, but it will be, I think, like a metal wheel, so that way I don't have this issue. This is 5 inches. Other than that, this mechanism, it will spin, when you go on the stairs, and will make your life very easy. I mean, I like the system. The only downside of this is just the wheels. These ones, they have plastic wheels, but I think they are way more robust, and I never had any issue with those. And with this one, they're plastic too, but I think because they are thicker, and also it doesn't have the mechanism that will rotate, I think they're way stronger. Other than that, that is the problem that I have. And here I have the little one. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to put the phone on my tripod and I'll show you. All right, so as you can see, this one is for maybe 50 pounds, maybe 100 pounds. I don't remember exactly. I think I have even the flyer about this. So the good thing about this, is very portable. As you can see, with one finger, I can lift it up very easily. I cannot do that with that one. So basically, you push this up, and then keep pushing, and then as you can see, the wheels, they will collapse if you want. You see. And then it will not take so much room. So I think for small stuff, you can put it like that, and that's it. This is all, hollow pipes. So this is not for very heavy stuff. All right. So as you can see here, it says 150 pounds. So 50 kilos, very basic. I think this is maybe 200 pounds. And yes, with this, for small stuff, I think it will be useful. Also, the good thing is very, compact, and you can put it anywhere. So that is why I have these three. It depends on what you have to do. Is the one that you're going to use. If you want something that is indestructible, that one. If you want something that is semi-indestructible, maybe this one. And the most fragile one will be this one. And then you have the other one. The other one is very robust as well. Didn't have any issue. But at least for, small boxes, refrigerators, something like that, you can use this for something very, very tiny. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. Remember, I have in the playlist all my videos organized, by tools. If you want to make your own, if you want to make your own business, if you want to have your own business, I teach everything. Thank you for watching. See you next time.